Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Notion AI database properties. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now, this Notion AI database properties allows you to integrate Notion AI into your database item. For example, I want to add a new text right here, and then you'll see this plus icon, add a property, just tap on that. And here you'll see this suggestions, AI summary, AI key info, AI custom autofill. For example, if you tap on summary, whatever you write down to your journal, it will automatically summarize it for you. Next is the key info. This one allows you to extract a specific information. Now lastly, custom autofill. This one allows you to generate automatically your task. Just type whatever you want to see to your page and then it will fill in automatically for you. Just make sure that you want to enable or to turn on the AI that you want to use. And that's it. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.